Okay, we are going to talk about morning star. Morning star. You have the morning star and the evening star. Now you're diving deep into one of my. Okay, these are very good patterns that you can trade with. The morning star is called. Usually, it is a pattern that is considered as a reversal pattern. Also, okay, you can find it in a continuation trend, but most of the times that I've traded the morning star, usually catch it at a what? At a reversal point. 98% of the time. 2% you will find it in a continuation, not bad. But I'll show you how you can be able to integrate the morning star in a continuation pattern. Okay? It consists of 3 candles. The morning star consists of 3 candles. The first candle is a bearish candle. The first candle is a bearish candle. The second candle, okay, first candle is a bearish candle. The second candle is usually is a doji, can be a buy doji or a sell doji, it doesn't matter. But the third candle, it must be a bullish candle, okay? So let me go back. Let me share my the whiteboard. Okay. Let me see how. If you can see my whiteboard, type a 222 to the charts. If you can see my whiteboard. Okay, let me see if I can draw it. Good. Okay, good. Okay. So a morning star is comprised of okay. Let me use for this one, I'll use a blue candle. I think I'm supposed to. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay, good. For the third one, okay, let me delete. Okay, that one, good. So the first candle is a bearish candle. Let me draw. No. So the first candle must be a sell candle. The second candle can be a sell candle or a buy candle, but the third candle must and always be a bullish candle. Let me remove that one there. Okay, must be a bullish. The first candle is a bearish. Let me call it bearish candle. Okay. First candle is a bearish candle. The second candle is a doji, either buy or sell. And then the third candle, it is usually a bullish candle. Okay. Those are the three types of, so that is the three, okay, it forms, whenever the three candles form, that is called the morning star. Morning star. And what are the characteristics? The first candle must be a bearish candle. This is not, okay, that is a first thing. The second candle, okay, let me call it the middle candle can either be a buy or sell. Mostly, it's usually a doji. The third candle is a bullish candle, okay? Those are the three rules for the formation of a morning star, okay? Those are the three rules for the formation of the morning star. Okay, that is basically a morning star. It is not usually this perfect, but let me, as always, let me dive into the charts. Where's my Google? Good. Let me dive into right into the charts. Okay. Good. I don't know why it's loading. Don't know why. Just give me. Okay. Good. Let me go right into the charts. Good. You're going to TradingView. I hope you can, if you can see my TradingView screen, type 555 into the charts. If you can see my TradingView screen. The market has been quite slow today. Don't know why. Good. Nice. You can hear me loud and clear. So what am I looking for? No, a morning star is an indication. Oh, what I forgot to mention that. Okay, let me just use let me use any other pair. Let me use GBP card. Okay, let me use GBP card. Nice. So every time I see a morning star is comprised of three candles. The first candle must be a sell candle. The second candle must be a buy candle, and the third candle, the second candle can either be a buy or a sell. The third candle must be a buy candle. This is what I'm talking about. This one is a good morning star. Okay, somebody will ask me, I know I've had these discussions before. Somebody will ask me, I'll show you something. Good. That is a good morning star. You can see the first candle. Okay, let me not do it as homework. Let me first zoom it in so that at least you can see. Good. There. The first candle is a what? As we said earlier, the first candle is a sell candle. There. Okay, I don't know how I'll put it. There. Sell candle. The second candle is as you can see, second candle is the middle candle can either be a buy or a sell. This scenario, you have a buy. The third candle, what was it? It was a buy candle. This is a perfect morning star. Look at what it did. Good. Look at this. After this one, what did it do? After this one, where did it go to? It went all the way up. Okay? It went all the way up. And it went how many pips? These are very powerful patterns. How many pips did it go for? 682. 682 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, these are very powerful pattern. Let me see. Just give me a minute. Let me look at it. Yeah, these are very powerful pattern. And look at why it, okay, although this one was a continuation one, you see why it happened. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Mark up that. Let's see if we have, let's start with the current price. No. I'm looking for a morning star here. Don't worry. Here at the bottom, here. Here. I'm looking for a morning star here. Let me see. Okay. Good, good. Let me look for a morning star. I'm looking for a morning star. Looking for a morning star. No. No. I'm looking for a morning star. I'm not finding one. Okay, this is interesting. See, you're going to look for a morning star here, not here, up here. Here, here, here. Okay. Good morning star. Okay, okay. Here is a morning star. You can see you've taken some time before you located one. But this one is a good morning star here, right there. You can see the first candle is a sell candle. The second candle, this one behaved like a long doji because there is a lot of indecision. It is giving you a lot of uncertainties. Where are we going? Why are we doing this? Okay. But the third candle confirmed we are now reversing. Okay. After it did reverse, see how many pips it went for. It went for how many pips? Remember, we will always be showing by our homework how that arrow, that up, going up. Because where did it go? The market went where? The market went up. Then come here. That is what? The morning star. Okay. That is a morning star right there. That is a morning star right there. Then you come here, save your chart image. Okay. Okay. That is a morning star. You're looking for your morning star down here. Down here. This is a bullish engulfing. This is okay. This is not a morning star. This one here. This is a morning star. You see the middle candle. The distinct thing about a morning star is that the middle candle, for it to become a good, it always acts as a doji. See, that's a morning star. Whenever you find the middle candle is not a doji, that is not a morning star. Morning star. Because the main definitions, okay, although this one was in a ranging market, it still went up. You still look for this move here. See, that move there, it went up. But although it was in a ranging market, okay? Okay, this one was a morning star, but you see, this one, we are operating within a range. Okay, and right now, not to teach about a range, but you see, you are operating here within a what? A range, because that is what the market does. It will impulse, it will impulse, it will retrace, then it will form kind of a range. This is a morning star, although this one never went up. So not consider this because it went up, then down. That's not a good morning star. Okay, okay, okay. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute, just a minute. Just give me one moment. Let me send something. Just one moment. Just a moment, guys. Just a minute. I'm looking for something. Looking for something to send. Just give me a moment. 1 minute. Good. Found it. Okay. Okay, good. Sorry for that. Sorry for that interruption. Okay, good. For the morning star, we are looking. Oh, this one is a good morning star here. Good. This is a morning star because you can see the middle candle is a distinction because it is a doji, but a long doji with a rejection. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This one happened in a continuation pattern. I'll teach you morning star. I'll teach you guys how to do this on. I'm going to teach you how to identify a morning star on an uptrend. Good. There it goes. Then you will come save the chart image. Okay. Good. Okay. I think don't know if my plan has expired or what because I should not be seeing these ads. Anyway, good. No problem. Anyway, that is a morning star. It is comprised of 3 candles. The first candle must be a sell candle. The second candle usually is a doji. A doji in what sense? A doji in the sense that it can either be a buy or a sell candle, but the third candle must and always will be a what? A buy candle. Good. So let me look at gold, our favorite. I'll just pick one. I'll just look at one pair, one example for each of the pairs that I trade. Morning star. You're looking for a morning star. Just give me a minute. Morning star. Okay, no, here you're looking for it at here, down here. No, as you can, okay, over the years I've realized that, okay, good morning star, whenever they form, take them, because before they form again, my friend, it's going to take a while. Look at here, morning star, how many pips did it go? Look at where it went to, because you're looking at this, what happened, this, okay, that, how many pips did it go for? These are very powerful ones whenever they happen on. This is 284 pips. That is 284 pips right there from 1690, because from 1700 to 1724, that is 240. From this one, from 1695 or 1696 to 1700, that is 40. So 40 plus 240, that is 281 pips. Yeah, good. Okay. That one there, that is gold. Right there. Good. And we look at silver XAG USD. Let me see. Okay, good. It seems that it's okay. There's a little bit of a sell momentum, but it's okay. Morning star. You're looking for a morning star, and you can see similarities. Okay. Let me good. Okay, although this one was not a good one, but this one is a morning, because essentially you're looking at a scenario whereby these candles The buy and sell candles should at least have big volume, because whenever they have little volume, I have little faith in them. But whenever they have big volume, I have some faith that it will go up. But this one tremendously, it went up, although this sell candle is not that big. Okay, let me see something. Yeah, that sell candle was not that big. So what did it do? It went all the way up, all the way up. Sorry. Whenever it goes all the way up, just come here, save. Okay. Remember, I've not yet named, but you remember to name it. Okay. Let me look at something else. Let me look at US 30, Dow Jones. Let me look at Dow Jones. Morningstar. Here. This one was recent. Okay. Although this one might confuse you because this middle candle does not. It looks funny. It does not look like a doji, but that's a Morningstar. Yeah, right there. Morningstar. Although it is not that perfect. Okay, then you save. Then I'll come here. Okay, let me zoom in that one in so that I can have a wide area of view. Okay. I think this is not a Morningstar. Morningstar should not have those. Okay, you can, yeah, this is a morning, but it should not have those bodies should not be that big. Okay, I'll teach you something about these two candles here. But this is not a Morningstar. Morningstar, the bodies of the, okay, no, I'm not saying essentially they must be of the same size, but at least they must not differ so much like this one here. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. Something clean, something clean goes up. You see, it went all the way up. Okay. That is Dow Jones. And those are so many pips. So many pips. Almost 2,000 pips. Yeah, 2,000 pips. Okay, good. Do you have a question? This is the time for questions. Remember, we are remaining with one. Let me go back. Let me see. We are remaining with, we are remaining with one pattern. Before now, I show you how to draw support and resistance. After I show you how to draw support and resistance, I want you to do your homework. What I've taught you we started with the bullish. We started with the bullish engulfing. We started with the bullish engulfing. We went to the bearish engulfing. We went to the doji. We went to the dragonfly. We went to the gravestone doji. We went to the bullish pin bar, the bearish pin bar. Although the dojis, the gravestone and the pin bars, and the dragonfly, they might serve almost the same purpose. Then we went now to morning star. We'll go to the evening star. Okay, that is not the end of the patterns. We'll have somebody call, say there's a tweezer top, tweezer bottom. Okay, I'll just slightly touch on that because not all patterns will help you. Okay, I don't want you to enter into this. Okay, as I am speaking now, I'm preparing you. If you have any questions, I just just prepare. Okay, I'm saying not all patterns will help you. Okay, I want to teach you the most important patterns that will help you identify: is this market retracing? Is this market not retracing? Is this market ranging? What do you see? Okay. And one that I forgot, the harami. I'll write that one down. There, the bullish harami and the bearish harami. Those are consolidated. Those are patterns for consolidation. What do you mean by patterns for consolidation? Those ones will give you a range, because most of the time the market will range. It will range for a certain period of time, then continue going down. Okay. And mostly what happens is that the pairs that behave like that are, you'll find most of metals. Metals are the pairs that will be behaving like that. They'll drag themselves and then shoot once, okay? Let me show you something. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Okay, let me share my screen again. If you can see my screen, type 333 into the charts. If you can see my screen, I was saying most of the metals, you can hear me type 333 to the chat. Good, good, good. Most of the metals, you realize something. This is a behavior. They range a lot. But they are very profitable because if you're patient with them, they'll give you very good returns. Okay, Elvis. Now's the time for Q&A. You can unmute. I think you can unmute yourself.
Yes. Evening. So my first question is, you have stated that it's just a clarification for the morning star.
Okay, come again.
It's a clarification that
Yes.
I need. For the morning star, you've stated that the bodies, for it to be a perfect morning star, the bodies of the three candles should be similar. That is, for the bearish, for the doji, should be almost the same size, or it's just for the doji, which should not be that.
Good question. For the, I was saying for the bodies of the, okay, the middle candle must be a doji, must be sort of a doji. It can be a gravestone doji. It can be a gravestone doji. It can be a dragonfly doji. It can be the normal doji. It can have a long cross, the middle candle. But the first candle must be, okay, the first size of the cell candle, I was saying that it must not be too long. Whenever it's too long, whenever you see that the cell candle is too long, then the buy candle that is forms next, maybe after some period of time, it's not big or it's almost, the buy candle is twice the size of that cell candle, that's not a morning star. But whenever the bodies of the buy and the sell candle should not differ that much. If you find that it is either twice in size, just leave that pattern alone because something is coming and you'll miss that entry. You're going to miss that entry, but I'm going to teach you how, what does it mean when you find that very, very large candle, because that will go into the advanced section. Later on, you'll be able to understand these buy candles, okay? These big ones, what do they mean? Okay, these big sell candles, what do they mean? Okay?
Yes, okay, thank you for that clarification. My other question, when you were discussing on how to find a morning star, majority of the time you are looking the downward side, but you stated that you'll teach me how to find a morning star upwards in an upward trend. So a morning star can either appear or in a continuation trend. So it can either be, you can check it out in a downward trend or in a continuation trend, that is an upward trend, can be found in either, or it's mostly found where there is a downtrend.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we have 7 minutes or we have some time. For the morning star, mostly, okay, for the current, what is happening now currently, you'll find it, okay, most of the times you'll find it in a continuation pattern, but where it does not occur, in a continuation pattern, you find it at the end of a downtrend. Whenever it happens at the end of a downtrend, it means that it is a reversal. But whenever it happens in a continuation, it just tells you, but with a confirmation, just tells you that this market you are now continuing to buy. Okay.
Thank you for that. And my last question is in regards to, there's an instance that we have seen that for the Morningstar, I can't remember the pair that you are looking at, but we have seen a Morningstar which has gone opposite our projection in terms of we expected it to buy, but it slightly bought. It went on a bullish slightly and then went down. So this shows that it's not most times the Morningstar we expect it to go on once it occurs, the market you buy because it will go on a bullish run. But there are some instances which it won't obey that rule.
Okay. You see, right now you're doing identification, right? Right now you're dealing with identification. What do I mean by identification? I mean that not always that you see that, okay, whenever you see a Morningstar, it does not mean you just dive into a buy. Whenever you see an evening star, whenever you see a bullish, that right now it's just identification. Yes, I've seen a Morningstar, that is the first confirmation, but I'll give you like four other confirmations so that at least if the 5 confirmation are aligned, I'll give you, it must do, yes, it was a Morningstar, yes. The second, for example, where we are planning to next, did it happen near a support or a resistance? That is the second thing. If it happened there, that is another confirmation. The third thing, entry point. For example, in entry point, did it come and retrace to this particular bit? If it did, yes. The fourth point, where did I put my stop loss? You see, you must have all those confirmation. And the biggest thing that you will be looking at first, where is a trend? Where is a big, where is a wave? I learned in school that if you follow the masses, you will go wrong. But in Forex, if you follow the masses, you'll make money. You go where the volume is. Where are we going? Are we going up or are we going down? Those are the 5 confirmations. They are very sweet. They are very enjoyable. Right now, it's just identification. Right? That is why I was telling you, whenever you spot a Morningstar, I don't expect you to spot a Morningstar right now, right here, or currently where the volume or the market is, because you don't know what will happen. You don't know the trend. You don't have the other confirmation. Okay? So that's why you look at the previous. If it went up, just draw your arrow so that whenever you start drawing your support or your resistance, you'll be in a better position. Okay? We have 3 minutes.
I think that those were the questions. Oh, and there is another term that you have stated, a negative. When we are looking at the doji, you pointed out a negative. So does the negative mean the week was too long on in terms of going downwards? Or there's a term you stated, a negative. So I would also like to know the meaning.
I'll send you the recording. You just go over the video again and just confirm if I said a negative or something, or just remind me just go over the video again, because maybe maybe I cannot exactly say if it is a negative, it is a what, but just go over the video in case you get that question or that place, just throw the question at me, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I don't have any other questions. I'm satisfied.
Okay, tomorrow I don't think we'll be having a lesson because, tomorrow we have another bootcamp at Scope Markets. I think this will be the third edition, I guess, yeah. So tomorrow might be quite held up. I don't know when, I think it is around 4 or 5, but see, whenever I go to a bootcamp, Mostly you get out of there, you are tired. So if you don't continue, if you don't have a session this weekend, we just continue on Monday. Okay? Okay, Elvis?
Yes, that is in order. Yeah, that is in order. Thank you.
Good, good, good. And the minimum, I think you can also, okay, if you have time, you can also come for the interaction, but I think you came before. It's a very good experience. You get to interact, you get to see the other traders, because trust you me, now we are going, after you're done with the patterns, after you now start going into the advanced entries, levels, it will be interesting, because right now, I can confidently, whenever you're starting the second month, I can confidently tell you that we can now start trading demo, okay? Because you know how to calculate a pip and you know everything. You know how to calculate a pips, you identify 2 or 3 patterns and you're able to see something in the chart. Otherwise, have yourself a wonderful evening. I'll confirm and let's meet. I'll confirm if we meet on weekend or on Monday. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.